Hi, this is Erica, and this is the video for week 5, the currency converter. I worked on this last night because I knew it would take me a long time to figure out how to set this up. So I hope it's okay that I have everything ready and I'm just gonna walk you through this because it would take me a long time to make a video just thinking of the process and how to set up everything. So I used a PY charm. And I'm just going to show it to you. I have it saved under PY Charm Currency Converter and it's right here. And this is what I have open right now on my screen. I use the same way that you set up for your modules. I just copy it and I'm using the same way. So the module name is Currency Converter.py. The author is me, Erica. The date is yesterday. I worked on this last night. And this is a converter. Convert US dollars to euro, Canadian dollars, Brazilian real, Chinese yuan, Mexican pesos, or vice versa. So yesterday's currency was $1, 0.88 cents euros. $1 was 1.31 Canadian dollars. $1 3.75 Brazilian real. $1 you could buy 6.71 Chinese yuan. $1 you can buy $19.15. Oh, sorry, 19.15 Mexican pesos. And this is how I use to calculate $2. So the amount of euros times 0.88, this is for dollars, and the amount of Canadian dollars dot the currency, the amount of dollars, the amount of real dot the currency, amount of dollars. This is how I use to calculate. This is my math that I use to calculate, and this is backwards the currency. So 1 euro you can buy $1.13. 1 Canadian dollar you can buy 76 cents. 1 real you can buy 27 cents. 1 yuan you can buy 15 cents. 1 Mexican pesos you can buy 5 cents. Okay, so you're gonna see that the math right here. Let me just add this here. This is the math. Oops. No. Math for currency. You're gonna see that I use the same math for everything, but when I did it backwards, so for example euro to dollars, I just switch the names and switch the currency, which would be the backwards currency right here. So this is my function, currency converter function. Okay, so the first thing I have is an input. What do you want to convert? Which is showing right here. What do you want to convert? And I have the options. Dollars to euro, euro to dollars, dollars to Canadian dollars, Canadian dollars to dollars, dollars to real, real to dollars, dollars to yuan, yuan to dollars, dollars to Mexican peso, Mexican pesos to dollars. And I have the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So basically, I have an input asking what do you want to convert? And you got to pick one choice. I'll just change this. You have to pick one choice out of 10 for your conversion. So if the user choice is 1, which is US dollar to euro, I have a float because it's a number. Enter the amount of US you wish to convert to euros. Because it could be $10.50. It could be $20.50, $20.25, something like that. So basically, I have one function that I copy and paste for all of the other ones, and I just switch the names and the amounts. So for example, number 1, if user choice is 1, enter the amount of US dollars you wish to convert to euros. So let's just put over here, down here, I just pressed 1, enter. Enter the amount of US dollars you wish to convert to euros. I'm gonna do $50. $50 is 44 euros. So this is what I did here. I used the round because I wanted to have 50.00 if you look down here, but for some reason this doesn't work on Mac. I tried the percentage 2F to have like the 2 after the doc, but also didn't work. It was giving me an error and I had to change. So then I tried the round, but it really didn't do anything, and I just left it here just to show to you that I really tried, but it really didn't do anything. So then I have the arrow, which is the user one, the amount you want to convert, times the currency. I also used the round here because I want this 00 here, but it didn't work. I have to figure out a way of just fixing it. And then print dollars, amount of dollars you want to convert is equal the amount of arrows right here, and the word euro. So $50 is equal 44 euros. So if your choice is 1, this is what happened. Then elif for all the other ones, because if I use the if at the end, I have the else, and it wouldn't work the if with the else. So for example, I have 10 options. If I choose, I'm going to show option 13, I don't have an option 13, so you entered invalid information, try again. So when I was using ifs for all of them and else for the other one, I was getting an error because, for example, I have 10 options and I pick option 3, enter the amount of US dollars you wish to convert to Canadian. So when I was putting the amount I want to convert, 50, it would give me the conversion, but it would also give me the error. You entered invalid information, try again, because 50 is not an option here. So I knew there was something wrong and I couldn't use if for all of them. I tried the elif and it worked. So that's why I'm keeping elif. So once I have this all set up, I just copied and pasted all of the other ones and changed the numbers. User choice 2, user 2, and then this is euro to US dollars, so it's backwards. Enter the amount of euro you wish to convert to US dollars. So then I have US dollars is the amount of euro times 1.13, which is the currency. And it will print me euro, the amount I want to convert is equal the amount, the US dollars times the currency dollars. So let's show it to you. Number 2, enter the amount of euro you wish to convert to US dollar. 100. 100 euros is $113. And this is where I was trying to keep the 2 after the doc. And I have to figure out how to do this on Mac. Some things are different to do on Mac than Windows. I have noticed that. And I have just to figure out how to do it. So let's do some other options. US dollar to real is number 5. Enter the amount of dollars you wish to convert to real. 500. $500 is 1,875 reais. Let's do real to dollar, number 6. I'm gonna do 500 reais is $135. Let's do option number 9, dollars to Mexican pesos. $300 is 5,745 Mexican pesos. Let's do it backwards. Option number 10, 500 Mexican pesos is $26. Now I just want to show you again that if I pick an option that is not a number that is not an option, for example 12, you enter invalid information. Try again. Okay, let me see the Canadian dollars to US dollars, number 4. 500 Canadian dollars is $380. Okay, US dollars to Canadian dollars, number 3. Let's do 200. $200 US dollars is 262 Canadian dollars. Okay. Let me just take a look at this. US to Canadian 131, Canadian to dollar 76 cents. Let me just confirm this. US to Canadian 131, Canadian, yeah, that's correct. Sorry about that. Okay, let's do dollar to yuan number 7. $1,000 is 6,710 yuan. Let's do backwards. 5,000. Oh, sorry, I forgot to pick my option. I want to do yuan to dollars. 8. 5,000. 5,000 yuan is $750. Alright, so this is how I can show you my currency converter, and you can see that works. I'm just gonna show you one more time what I did. I have how you organize today's currency, which is actually yesterday's, the math for the currency, the backwards currency, and then my function. This is where my function starts. And I gotta be honest, like I said, this really took me a long time to figure out how to set up. And I did watch some videos on YouTube because I didn't know how to start to set up things. I didn't know like from where to start or what was the first thing to do. I went on YouTube. I did watch some videos of some people doing this, and I got some ideas from them. I got some ideas of how to set up. I hope it's okay. But like I said, not most of the things, but some of the things that people do on Windows, it doesn't really work on Mac. So I had to come with some things myself. But I'm just being honest that I really went on YouTube and look at some stuff on YouTube. Hope it's okay. And this is my currency converter. Alright, that's it. I hope this is what you're looking for. Alright. Bye.